Example 8. Find the derivative of f of x using the first principles at the point where x equals -1 for f of x equals minus 2x over x. Solution. We can observe that the function is not defined for x equals 0, hence is not differentiable at x equals 0 for all the other values we can find the derivative. To find the derivative of f of x at a specific point x equals -1, we substitute -1 for x in We know f of -1 plus h equals 2 minus 2h over -1 plus h, and f of -1 equals -2. Substituting for f of -1 plus h and f of -1 in the above formula, we get, consider the expression in the numerator. The two fractions can be added by taking the LCM of the denominators. Simplifying the numerator, we get f dashed -1 equals limit of 0 over h square minus h as h tends to 0. Therefore, f dashed -1 equals 0. We have thus determined the gradient of the tangent to the function f of x equals minus 2x over x at the point -1 f of -1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. And let the math finally start mathing.